Hey you guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to simplify your wardrobe, how to really look more put together, more classy, but also have more time in your mornings, which until I learned these 6 tips, I didn't know was possible. So, tip number 1, when you find a garment that you like the size, the fit, the way it looks on you, the material, buy multiple of that garment. The reason for this is because for the longest time I'd be like, I need more t-shirts, and I'd go out and buy 5 different styles and only end up wearing one of them and have my drawers packed full of clothes that I didn't actually wear. Now I'm trying to find a style that I really like by taking a little bit more time to try them on, really look at them, decide if I'd wear it long term, and then I'm just getting some different colors and sticking with that style. This saves so much headache and saves so much money that we waste on outfits that we end up keeping in our closets and never actually wearing. This moves right into tip number 2, which is the slowly purge your wardrobe of outfits that you never wear.
Really quickly, I want to show you my drawers, what they look like right now. This is where I keep supposedly all my pants, but apparently not because I have swim stuff in there. This is where I keep all of my shirts and tank tops. This is just like random stuff. This is my jewelry box. I think I had a couple sweaters in here at one time. Over here I have, this is supposed to be underwear and socks. Yeah. And bras, I think, and then this is the same, which as you can see, it's like a horrible mess. So, let's see the transformation.
I found this is a continual journey and something I'm constantly working on and something I'm constantly discovering. You know, I haven't worn that dress in 6 months. I should probably get rid of it. A closet of 10 outfits that you like is so much more beneficial than a closet of 100 outfits that you never actually wear or that take you an hour to pair together to try and find an outfit that you like and feel comfortable in when going out into the world. Tip number 3, and this is one of the best tips I can give you. Invest in a nice, classy jacket. Now, if you utterly hate jackets and don't wear them, then I recommend you invest in a sweater or a really nice vest. My investment jacket cost me exactly $11, I think. The amazing thing about a jacket is that you can throw it on as you're running out the door, and yet those jeans that you're wearing and that t-shirt immediately look so much more stylish and have so much more class, merely because you put on a nice jacket as you jumped in your car. Number 4, and this is by far one of the best and easiest tips that I can give you, and that is that when you go and you find this jacket, if you don't have one already that you really like, also buy a pair of boots, a belt, and if you're a hat person, buy a hat that all look really similar. My jacket looks like it's leather, but it's actually stretchy fabric. My boots are fake leather. My belt is leather, and they're all this brownish tan color. So the amazing thing about this though is that when you go to put on that simple dress in your closet, but you have a matching belt, a matching pair of boots, that matching jacket, and that matching hat if you're a hat person, your outfit immediately looks like you put so much time and effort into it when in all reality you pulled out your one belt, your one pair of boots, your one jacket that you have, and immediately you have this beautiful outfit that completely ties together that took you basically no time. This also works really well with jeans. If I'm wearing a blouse and I want a little belt to cinch up the waist, and I just throw on those boots and the jacket, I immediately look like I put so much time into matching when I put basically no time into it. And these 3 to 4 items, depending on if you have that hat or not, you can carry over into any outfit that you have and immediately look like it's all matching and put together. Tip number 5, this is kind of a personal preference thing, but I found for myself that by eliminating more and more of my outfits out of my wardrobe that have tons and tons of different colors and patterns, it's really made getting dressed and putting together outfits that look really neat and orderly and matching so much easier when I don't have a lot of time. And so slowly I'm getting rid of a lot of those t-shirts that had tons of flowers on them and tons of floral prints and tons of different designs, and I'm really sticking to more basic, subtle colors that all tie together really, really well. Really quickly, I'm going to put on my jacket and I'm going to show you how much this sparks up the outfit. All right, tip number 6, and this is a really, really good tip. When you have one of those afternoons where you don't have tons to do, I recommend you pull out of your closet 4 or 5 really nice outfits, put all the pieces together, everything that you need to make it a complete outfit, and then put it on. Then I encourage you to use your iPhone and take some pictures of your outfit. Be that in a full body mirror or setting up the timer, or if you have a spouse or a friend around, have them snap that picture of you, and then create an album on your phone that's called like my go-to outfits or something like that. And on those mornings or those evenings when you don't have much time and you cannot decide what to wear and nothing is looking good and nothing's working, go to that album on your phone, scroll down, find the outfit that you have all the items for, pull it out of your closet, put it on, and you immediately look like you put a ton of time, effort into your outfit, and you can feel really good in it, knowing that it was something you picked out when you weren't being rushed, and you can go out and do whatever you're going to do. I used to try and set out all my outfits and put together the jacket that went with the shirt, that went with the blouse, blah, 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 blah. But the problem with that was that if I wanted to wear a different outfit before I wore the outfit that I set out, I'd have to take the jacket off that outfit, put it on the other outfit, take the slip off the hanger, and it just got really, really frustrating and added so much time to getting ready in the morning when I don't have extra time. So just having a picture that you can go off of and look on your phone and see, you know what, I have all my laundry clean, I know I have this dress hanging up or whatever, makes it so much easier getting ready early in the morning. Now, because as I'm sitting here, I did think of a 7th tip, I'm going to add a bonus tip instead. And that is to set your outfit out the night before. Now, I don't do this every single night, that's not practical for me. But like when I know I'm going to church early in the morning the next day, or when I knew I had to work the next day back when I worked, I would set out an outfit the night before, and that way when I'm rushing out the front door, I don't have the extra stress of like, oh great, I don't like what I'm wearing, I feel awkward in this skirt doesn't fit me right, I forgot, I hate the shirt. And it just makes your morning that much simpler. So you guys, those are my tips that I really hope will be helpful. I hope will give you a little bit more time in the morning and will just help you feel a little bit more confident and happy with what you're wearing. If you're new here and this video was helpful, please stay tuned because I will be making so many more videos in the future focusing around really simplifying your life and having the time to do the things you actually want to do rather than spending your whole morning feeling upset because you hate the clothes that you're wearing or feeling like you're spending your entire morning trying to get dressed. Yes? So if you enjoyed this video, please stay tuned. I'll be creating so many more videos like this in the future. And have a fantastic week. Bye! Can you say bye? Bye! If you heard any noises during this video, I do apologize. She's waking up from her nap. All right, see you guys later. Bye! The night before. Number 5, I realize this is kind of a personal preference thing, but I have found that number 5, I realize this is kind of a preference when you have simple base colors.